Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katie Tadlock and I am a wife, a mother, a homeschooling mom, a homemaker. I do all of the things just like a lot of you. In today's video, I just got this urge to downsize some of my stuff, so I organized my undies, socks, and bras, and then I started to work on my closet. I had some random baby items from Amazon that I was just kind of putting away. By all means, this is not a closet clean out. I am just getting rid of a few things that I don't really wear anymore. I wanted to get rid of more, but because I'm going to be entering the postpartum period, I know that a few of my shirts are probably going to get ruined from leaking milk. I'm sure a lot of you mamas can relate, especially if you are a breastfeeding mama. So I ended up not getting rid of as much as I thought, but a couple of things does make a difference, and it definitely adds up over time. So that is what I'm going to be doing in this next few little clips. So after I went through the first time, I decided to kind of go back because I felt like there was a few more items that I could really just part with. So I went back through, picked out a few more things that I don't really wear too often. You see me kind of hesitate on a couple of them, but those were just plain t-shirts, which are really good in the postpartum period where I can just kind of layer them with the nursing tank, and it makes breastfeeding a little bit easier. Anything that may have been stained or just like kind of worn down is kind of what I was going for to get rid of. As you see, I still have a ton of stuff, so I didn't do the best job at getting rid of stuff, but that's okay. Now I am moving on to my master bathroom, and this countertop, you guys, oh my gosh, I'm kind of embarrassed to even show you, but it is so yucky. And there was just so much stuff I needed to go through and honestly probably get rid of a lot, but instead I kind of just put it in my cabinets or like under the sink or in a drawer. But yeah, it's really bad. And also in this clip, look at my belly. Oh my gosh, she is sticking out. So I haven't really gained any weight through this pregnancy, but sometimes she will go super forward and super high, and it makes my bump look so cute to me. I actually enjoy seeing the pregnant belly, just because I'm almost 32 weeks and I'm just now really starting to show, so it's exciting for me. But yeah, so this part is just me clearing off my counter. It is a complete disaster, so enjoy. my bathroom mirrors were really dirty, and that like back tile part, oh my gosh, it was really bad. And just pretty much everywhere there was husky hair, husband hair, dust, just all of the things. Like I said, I really have neglected cleaning this area. So I'm really weird. I'll clean my bathtub and my shower in my master bathroom, but I don't do my counters too often. And so they were pretty bad. And I will definitely admit that I have a ton of hair products, makeup products, face products. So it all kind of clutters up because I like to swap things out. And instead of putting stuff back in like a cabinet, I just kind of leave it on the counter. So yeah, that's what you guys are seeing right there. It's just tons of grime and yucky stuff. But hey, good cleaning motivation, right? So I added this little bucket to our countertop for my husband's stuff. He empties his pockets, and there's like little screwdrivers and bolts and all kinds of stuff. So I wanted him to have a spot where he could find all of the stuff that he sits on the counter, and it have its own spot where he can go and dig through it and get whatever he needs out. And yeah, I just thought that was gonna make things a little easier, so he could just put his stuff in there. We shall see how it works out. So here I am just doing a quick little overview for you guys. Yes, I still have a ton of stuff on my counters, but it is clean, everything is dusted off, and everything has a spot. Now I am starting my laundry. You will see in just a few seconds that I have an outfit change because I wanted what I was wearing washed. So here's my outfit changed. If you know, you know. That's Erin Williams' shirt. I just thought I'd throw that in there. At this point in the day, I was worn out and we had to get ready for my sister's winter Christmas party. So that's what I ended up doing. I didn't take very many pictures. We had a chain of unfortunate events. But this concludes today's video, and I will catch up with you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.